So here we have Ralph's car. I'm making a video out of this. This is an update. He put 5K miles. This is the one I did full bolt on my previous video with the ARP head studs. He's back. Well, he's been back kind of all week. I haven't filmed it, but we did PRL inlet pipe. I want to get one now because this thing sounds like it's a big turbo. Like it sounds like it has a whole different turbo. It sounds great. I want to get one now. Only thing I'm worried about is this pipe gets really hot because the cat is right there. I wonder if I can like buy the gold reflective stuff for mine and his car when I get it, or just heat wrap it. The reason why I'm recording this too is because I want to do an update because everybody was worried about the him lifting the head, or the head gas is still going, because obviously he was a guinea pig, and I didn't per se reuse the head gasket, but I did the ARP head bolts and I was taking them one in and torquing them one at a time. Now he's here for an oil change because he's 5K and his maintenance lights came on, and he also bought an ARP Performance exhaust, which this is supposedly the best exhaust for these cars. I want to get one for mine. Don't be grabbing my butt, yo. I want to get one for mine, but you know, he got money, so he's dumping money into this car. He's keeping money in my pocket with all these installs, but I'll keep you guys posted on how this install goes. You recording?
No. I am recording, bro.
So the stock exhaust is now off. It wasn't that hard to take off. And now we're undoing the ARP Performance exhaust. Because, you know, Ralph got money. Every week he probably spends like 2 bands on the car.
Don't believe him, guys.
Every week. He sends me, he didn't even send me the link anymore. He just sends me the order update. And these are some good welds, because even Dan approved of these welds. Some good shit, man. He said, "Bah!" Yo, forget the exhaust. Look at my car. Isn't she a beaut? Let me stop. So he has the full ARP Performance exhaust paired up with a PRO mid pipe and a PRO high flow cat. You know, I have built this car for him. He's a very special customer to me. It is Rafito Tum. But now I gotta do a quick oil change, put it all back together. We're gonna get some driving videos for you guys in a bit, and we'll go from there. And no, he has not lifted the head with his ARP head studs, and no, he has not blown the head gasket. 5K miles so far. So, but man, oh man, this dude got money. He making me want to spend a couple thousand on my car right now, because I mean, my car look nice, but it don't got much done to it. It's the best one for these cars. Everybody says it. I want to hear when he gets on it and like the wastegate opens. Yo, clutch in and floor it. Like do launch control. It sounds cool. It pops. It definitely sounds better than the Gretty one, because Lenny has the Gretty one. Like it has that deep tone to it. That's why I like it. It's just an Yo, I'm about to get this exhaust for my car. I say fucking do it. I'm about to drop like 5K at my. I told you, bro. You got that one on video? I told you. Yeah, I got it on video. This shit pops like crazy. Well, I don't know if the audio picked it up, but yo, especially like cold start in the morning. Yeah, facts. It sounds good though.
Bogotá.